all of the parts that go inside of it. This one uses a power box radio system. That's a power management system, so it can run with very high power batteries to give the servos the power that they need to move the control surfaces. Round of applause for Ian as he finishes his schedule with a fantastic smooth landing. Robbie now into low-level acrobatics. You can see the aircraft again in rolling circle, generating smoke as it's going round. The smoke is formed by diesel fuel being injected into the hot exhaust system and burning. So the white smoke is basically burnt diesel. Here the note of the engine changing, using the prop torque to help with the roll and also manage the aircraft speed.
Have you got one, Paul?
Okay, developing the spin into a flat spin, so if you can just about make it out, you see almost full down elevator, 45 degrees deflection, and the rudder working away as well.
Thank you. The model sounds about 12 to 1300 now. The actual aircraft, about 1300
The other thing you have to be aware of is that these pilots have a tremendous confidence in their engine. If the engine fails on any of these manoeuvres, it's almost certain disaster. So they spend a lot of time setting the engine up, making sure it's reliable, buying a quality engine that they know is going to work and do exactly what they want. Let's say the composite ARTF, the composite is basically the materials it's made of. If I start coughing, it's probably because I've got a lung full of smoke, but don't worry about it. The materials used to be technically minded, if you're looking at a sort of sports 40 style model, bigger electric model, you're probably using servos around about 4 kilograms centimeters torque. Aircraft of this type are using servos towards 25 kilograms of torque, and many of the surfaces have got second servos, so you've got 2 servos on each aileron, 2 servos on the rudder, just to give them the power they need to operate the control surfaces to do these maneuvers. Do what looks a deceptively easy maneuver now, but basically a flat inverted circuit, the turn being accomplished by the rudder, but obviously as the aircraft is inverted, the rudder is operating in the other sense, sense being left is right, right is left, and just finishing off his schedule now while we get the next aircraft started up. Waves his wings, you can hear the squeak because the air's being forced from the aileron gap, and fantastic performance, ended up with a nice roll down the runway. So if you can put your hands together please for Robbie Skipton flying the composite ARF Extra.
Yeah,